Hey project managers, welcome back to my channel, The Coach. So in this video, I'm going to solve the questions based on latest PMP exam pattern. So let's read the question first. During the execution of a large infrastructure project, the project manager ensures that several documents and tools are created and maintained. These includes the project charter, risk register, schedule, stakeholder register, and performance reports. These items are regularly reviewed by the project team, sponsors, and senior management to guide decision making and control project work. Which of the following best describes these documents and tools? Now let's look at the option. Option A, project deliverables that provide value to the customers. Option B, organizational process assets used only during project initiation. Option C, artifacts created to manage the project and communicate information to stakeholders. Option D, operational records that are maintained after the project is closed. Let's decode each option one by one. So let's look at option 1, which says that project deliverables that provide value to the customer. So here in the question it is asked that these are what is the best term to describe documents and tools like project charter, risk register, schedule, and stakeholder register. But project deliverable is an output, okay, which we get from the project, and the value to the customer is defined as the excess of financial and non-financial benefits over investment that is gained from achieving goals of portfolio or program. So this doesn't seem to be a correct or perfect term to define document and tools. Now let's move to option B. Option B says that organizational process asset used only during project initiation. So in the question, the documents and tools which are mentioned, some of them are organizational process asset, but they are not only used during project initiation, right? They are used repeatedly and they are updated repeatedly throughout the project. So this also doesn't seem to be a correct answer. Now let's look at option C that says artifacts created to manage the project and communicate information to the stakeholders. So yes, artifact in PMBOK 8 is defined as a document or other item created during a portfolio, program, or project to help manage it and provide information to the project team, stakeholders, and management. So option C seems to be the perfect answer for this question. The last option, that's option D, operational records that are maintained after the project is closed. So no, this is not the perfect answer because artifact is the perfect term to define the documents and tools that helps in decision making for the project. So option D is not the correct answer. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.